Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Inequality. Inequality means lack of equality. For example, social inequality. Social inequality. Synonyms: imbalance, inequity, unevenness.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. More generally, of course, economic inequality undermines social cohesion. Now, repeat after me. More generally, of course, economic inequality undermines social cohesion. The second exempli. The Gini coefficient ranges from 0 to 1 and measures the degree of income inequality. Now, repeat after me. The Gini coefficient ranges from 0 to 1 and measures the degree of income inequality. The third exempli. Under new labor, not only has inequality of income increased, social mobility has actually decreased. Now, repeat after me. Under new labor, not only has inequality of income increased, social mobility has actually decreased.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the royal coat of arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.